So here our fifth question, list all the subsets of the following sets. So if you not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So we have covered all the chapters from 6th to 10th class. Please try to watch remaining videos also. So here first one, list all the subsets. So how to write subset here? The subsets means the elements which are presented in this set divided as small sets. So B is P of Q, P and Q. So here what are the subsets for this? So P is a one subset and Q also is a one subset. Every set is subset to itself. All the sets subsets to itself. Then P and Q and pi is an empty set is also subset to all the sets. Then C, what is that? X, Y, Z. So we can take it here, it is combinations. So X, Y, Y, Z, all the things. So first write single elements. X is a one set, Y is a one set, and Z is a one set. So how to write subset means first single elements, single sets we want to write, and combination of X, Y is a subset. Why? Because these two elements are presented in C. Then YZ, then ZX, and finally XY, Z, and pi is a one set. So that is the thing we have to write it here. Then our third one, D, is A, B, C, D. So what we can write it here is A is a one set, B is another set, C, D. Then AB is a combination and BC is a set and CD. Then so we have covered the AB, BC, CD. Then you can go with AC, then BD. So AC and BD. AC and BD. Is there any other possibilities? AB, BC, CD. Then AC, again you can go with AD. So AD also we can go. A and D. Two combinations. So A with B over A with C. A with C also over, then A with D. Then B with C, then BC over, then BD also over. So BD also over, then CD. So that are the combinations with two elements. Then three elements, A, B, C is a one set. Then B, C, D is another set again. So with A, B, D is another one. A, B, C, B, C, D, then A, B, D. Then what you can take again? B, C, D already over. Then D, A, B already, A, B, D already over. So next one, A, B, C, D. And pi is a small set. So here one more combination is there. So what is that here is? So A, C, D. So you can write A, C, D also for this. Like this we have to move. Next one, what is our next one here is? So let's write one will be, so fourth one, E will be equal to 1, 4, 9, 16. 4 combinations. So for these subsets, how you write it? So subsets will be, first one will be 1, then 4, then 9, then 16. Then two sets will be 1, 4 is a set, then 4, 9, then 9, 16. So here with the 4, 1, 4 and 1. So 9, 16. Then go with 1, 4 already over, with the 9 go. With the 9. Next 1, 16. Then you can go with 4 with the 9 already over. Then 4, 16 you can move. So 1, 4. How many combinations? 1, 4, 1, 9, 9, 16 and 1, 16. 4, 9 is over. Then again 4, 16 is over and 9, 16 is also over. How many combinations here? We will have 6 combinations with that. Then what is the 3 digits? So that is 1, 4, 9, is a one combination. Then 4, 9, 16 is another combination. Then what is, so here 4, 9, 16. Then one more thing, 4, 9, 16 is over. Then start with the 1. So 1, 4, 9 already over. Then 1, 4, 16. 1, 4, 16. Then 4 leave. Then what set we will get? 1, 4. That is 1, 9, 16. So these are the 3 element set. Then 4 element set, what you can write it here. 1, 4, 9, 16 is itself is a set and pi is also set. So this is the way to find this. Then what is the next one? That is fifth one is. So what is fifth one here? 10, 100, 1000. We have given 10, 100. So f will be equal to 10, 100 and 1000. So this is the set. So for these we will write the subset. So subsets means, so here we will write the single elements like that. So first write 10, then 100. This is the single set, then 1000. Then two element sets, how will be 10 and 100 is a one combination. Then 100 and 1000 is another combination. Then 10 and 1000 is another combination. Is there any other combinations with the two elements? So 100,000 over 10,000 over. Then 10, 100 is also over. Then one more combination. Is there anything? No. Then 10, 100, then 1000 is and pi. 3 element set. Every set is a subset to itself. So like this we need to find it and write the solution subsets like this. And one more concept is this cardinal number. The cardinal number is nothing but how many elements are there. So that is the concept that is not given in the exercise, but we have to know. The cardinal number means, what is that? Cardinal number is nothing but number of unique elements. So number of elements in the sets. Number of elements in the sets. So that is the cardinal number. So that is the concept of cardinal. So for this cardinal number is 2, for this 3, for this 4, for this 3, for this 4. So these are the number of elements. Like this we need to find. Thanks for watching.